Everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. We've got a Lenovo here to fit. Lenovo Ideapad S145. This laptop has no power. So the client that brought it in said it has. So let's check together and see what is the problem. Charger connected. See, you're supposed to have an LED orange light, you see? There is no orange light. Also have a charging light here. Orange light. Charger connected. Nothing. Okay, let's open it together and see what could be the problem. Thanks to everyone that have subscribed to my channel. And if you are watching this video now, you haven't subscribed, please subscribe for more repair videos like this. Okay. What could be this problem? What could be this problem? So we have to sit together. Now you see the problem with these laptops. I guess I've seen a lot of same laptop like this with a similar problem. It's very common. It's very common. Okay, here's the board here. Turn it over here. If you can see, here's the board there. Okay, charger connected. No light. Okay, multimeter. Okay. Negative protogram. Okay, on the charging pin, but 20. See that? Okay, on the charging pin, the first MOSFET, the input 20 volts, and the output of the first MOSFET nothing. You see that? And on the gate, nothing. See now, there's short on the board somewhere. There's a short on the 9 power array, the 20 volts power array. The short. Okay, what we need to do, let's see something quickly. Let's see something quickly. Need to see here quickly. Let's come with a power supply. You see, I'm gonna come with a power supply by the current sensor. Come with the power supply by the current sensor. And let's see. Okay. Power supply, current sensor. I've got orange light here. I don't know if you see that. The light is flashing. If you can see that here. See that? Okay. The power supply. I put a power supply by the current sensor. The orange light is flashing. Okay. Let's try to power it on. Powered on. Laptop is on. Let's wait for display. There you go. See that? So now if I take out the power supply, I guess it's gonna go off. See that? Off. Okay, let's disconnect the hard drive. Okay, let's do that again. By the current sensor connected, the light is flashing. If you can see here, it's flashing. You see, this flashing light is not charging the battery. You see, if you can check on the power supply, it's not taking any current. You see there by the power supply, it's not taking any current. That means it's not charging. The power can go in, but it's not charging. Okay, let's power it on again. Powered on. There you go. Have a display. The laptop is not charging. So what we need to do, let's trace the fault. There's a fault there. There's a fault there. If I take out the power supply now, it will go off. You see, it went off. It's not charging. There is a fault somewhere on the board. So let's trace together. You know, the charging IC, we're gonna walk around the charging IC. Going to walk around the charging IC. Okay, there's my BP multimeter. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do first, you see by the gate of the first MOSFET. Okay, then I'm gonna go to the charging IC. There's a transistors here. There are transistors here. So now I'm gonna trace. You see now? So this track, the track from the gate, the track from the gate of the first MOSFET is coming here. There are two transistors here now, close to the charging IC. Close to the charging IC, BQ24, I think it's BQ, I'm not mistaken. BQ 2478 0S. That's the charging IC. So there's a two transistor there now. You can see the gate of the first MOSFET. The track is coming here. And now, bear it in mind, it was supposed to be one transistor which has the track, not the two transistor. This is the transistor for the gate, and the second one close to it is your, what's it called, 20 volts power array, because we're supposed to have 20 volts here. You see now, it's short to ground. Our 20 volts is short to ground. Our 20 volts is short to ground, close to the charging IC, PQ24780S. So what we need to do? What do we need to do? Because you see, if we take out this uh, MOSFET, the first MOSFET, which is the big one, if we take it out and put a bridge there, the laptop will switch on. It will be working, but it won't charge the battery. The battery won't charge. So what we need to do now, we need to make it charge the battery. We must make a way whereby the battery will be charged. You can't have a laptop without the battery is being charged. You see what is the essence of having a laptop and the battery is not charging? So what we need to do, there's a short on the 20 volts power rate. So what I'm gonna do, you see this second MOSFET, not the first one, the second MOSFET, we're gonna take it out. Okay? The second MOSFET, we're gonna take it out. The small one, not the big one, the small one. Take it out. Like I said to you, this laptop, they all got similar. It's a common fault on this laptop. It is a common fault. Okay? That's the see, that's the MOSFET. It's out. Okay. I will explain to you. You see, on the first MOSFET, which is the big one, if I put a jumper there, if I bridge this first MOSFET, the laptop will switch on, won't charge the battery. So what I'm gonna do, let's test again if there's a short there again. See the gate of the first MOSFET. You see, there's no short. There's no short. Did you see that? There's no short. So that's the gate. That is the gate. The second transistor, there's nothing. You see? You see? That's the gate. So what we need to do now, okay, see the second transistor, you see that it's coming from the second MOSFET, which I just took out. You see, it's coming from the second MOSFET. You see that? It's coming from the second MOSFET, which I just took out. So what we need to do, I guess that MOSFET is bad. So what I'm gonna do, I'm going to put a bridge from this second MOSFET. Remember, I said if I put a bridge on this big one on the first MOSFET, the battery will not charge. So if I put it on the smaller one, it will charge. Let's do that. If I were to replace the MOSFET, I haven't got the MOSFET. So there is no point for me replacing a MOSFET, which I don't have, you see. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put a bridge there. Remember, on the second MOSFET, there's a gate there. Be careful, don't put the bridge on the gate. Put it from the output. Yeah, from the input to the output. Don't put it on the gate of the second MOSFET. Otherwise, you have a short on the board. Okay, put it on the first three. 1, 2, 3. The first 3 pin. You see, just put it there. Put a bridge already. I don't know if you can see that. I've got a clear camera. I just put a bridge from the first tunnel here. I just put a bridge. Okay. 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 Let's come with the power supply again. No, the charger now, not the power supply. Charger. You see? And check the power supply. Charger connected. Check the power supply. Charger. See the light. You see that? Taking current now. Did you see that? Taking current now. Taking current. So let's switch the laptop on again. Or before then, let me tell you, I'll give you the voltage there. from the gate of the first MOSFET, okay, from the gate of the first MOSFET to this charging transistor. What do we have there? From the gate in the right, okay, gate, okay, okay, 6. The battery is charging. Okay, the battery is charging. Okay, the battery is charging. So I'm just gonna put it together. Let me switch it on first. Powered on. There you go. Got a display. Okay, powered off. So let's connect. Let's put a laptop back. I guess it's working. Everything is fine. The battery is charging. The battery is charging. Everything is fine. Okay. 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 Powered on. Okay. On. Let's wait. Preparing. Prepare. The window is using loading. Okay. You know, this laptop, they all got similar fault, you see. It's a common fault on this laptop. Lenovo Ideapad S145. They all have a common fault when it comes to the power issue. It's very common. Very common. Okay, the window is busy loading. If you are watching this video, you haven't subscribed, please subscribe for more videos like this. And if you are subscribed, thank you so much. I appreciate it. Okay. Remember, when we took out the power supply, the laptop goes off. When we took it out, it goes off. Now it's charging. I just wanted to charge a little bit so that I can take out the charger. Then we'll be both sure that everything is working. We're starting. It's restarting. Now we'll be doing repairs, motherboard repairs. In the next coming days, I'll be doing motherboard repairs. So I would like you to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. If you are watching this video now, please subscribe so that you get more updates of this board repair. Okay. Okay, it has a password. So has a password, and I don't know the password. Okay. Has a password. I don't know the password. Okay. So I think I will stop this video now. Before that, let me take out the charger. Let's see together. Charger out. Did you see that? Charger is out. Laptop is still on. And the battery is not charged fully. See? Battery charger connected. See that? You see that? Charger out again. There you go. Still on. I will stop this video now. Thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.